Stop for a moment and be completely honest with yourself. When was the last time you woke up in the morning with the same strong, natural confidence you once had as a younger man? The kind of firmness that made you feel alive, proud, and ready to take on anything the day threw at you. If those mornings have become rare or inconsistent, you are not alone. Millions of men over 50 feel the same quiet decline, and many blame age, without knowing the real reason behind it. My name is Dr. Zara Vale. I have spent more than a decade studying men's health, hormones, and circulation. And today I want to give you something simple, science-backed, and surprisingly effective. I am going to show you the 3 vitamins you should take at night if you want stronger, more reliable morning performance without pills, pumps, or awkward treatments. Stay with me until the end because I will explain exactly how these nutrients work inside your body while you sleep, how to time them, and how small nighttime habits can rebuild your natural strength. Let's start with something most men never hear. A morning erection is not just about desire. It is a biological report card. When your hormones are balanced, when your blood vessels are open, and when your nervous system is calm, your body naturally produces strong morning erections. When they fade, weaken, or disappear, this is your body signaling that something inside needs attention. The good news is that the system is not broken. Most of the time, it is simply underfueled. After reviewing thousands of blood tests from men over 50, I found the same deficiencies again and again. Low vitamin D, low magnesium, and unstable vitamin C levels. When these deficiencies were corrected, many men regained stronger mornings, steadier moods, better stamina, and a noticeable rise in natural confidence. That is why tonight I want to break down how each nutrient works and why taking them before bed can change everything. The first nutrient is vitamin D, often called the sunshine vitamin. But after 50, your skin becomes less efficient at producing it, and most men spend more time indoors than in direct sunlight. Research warns that low vitamin D disrupts your body's ability to convert cholesterol into testosterone, which is the hormone responsible for morning strength, energy, and drive. Think of vitamin D as the switch that turns on your hormone machinery. When levels are low, the machinery slows down. When they return to normal, hormone production restarts, blood vessels relax, and you begin to feel more like yourself again. Here is something supplement bottles rarely mention. Vitamin D is fat-soluble. That means it needs dietary fat to enter your bloodstream efficiently. If you take it with plain water, your body absorbs only a tiny amount. But when you take vitamin D during dinner, especially with foods like eggs, salmon, nuts, olive oil, or avocado, absorption skyrockets. And because your body performs most of its hormone repair at night, taking vitamin D in the evening feeds your hormonal system at the exact time it is working hardest. The second nutrient is magnesium, the mineral that helps more than 300 biochemical reactions run smoothly. Magnesium supports testosterone production, keeps your arteries flexible, and improves nerve communication. But one of its most powerful roles is promoting deep sleep. Deep sleep is when your brain resets stress hormones and your body repairs testosterone. Low magnesium means shallow sleep, restless muscles, nighttime waking. And low morning energy. Magnesium also helps convert total testosterone into free testosterone, which is the kind your body can actually use. Without enough magnesium, even the testosterone you do produce stays locked away. When men over 50 take magnesium glycinate before bed, many notice deeper sleep, fewer nighttime cramps, calmer nerves, steadier blood sugar, and stronger morning circulation. Better sleep means better hormones. Better hormones mean better performance. Finally, we have vitamin C, one of the most underrated nutrients for men's circulation. Most people think of vitamin C only for immunity, but it plays a crucial role in nitric oxide production. Nitric oxide relaxes blood vessels, allowing blood to flow easily where it is needed. Without nitric oxide, desire alone cannot create firmness. Vitamin C also protects your arteries from oxidative stress, which is like rust forming inside your blood vessels over time. Regular vitamin C keeps your vessels elastic and youthful. Inside the testes, vitamin C shields the delicate cells that produce testosterone from damage. This means more stable hormone levels, less fatigue, and better physical recovery. Because vitamin C is water-soluble, your body uses what it needs and flushes out the rest. Taking a single large dose in the morning does not give your body the steady support it needs. Splitting vitamin C into a morning dose and a nighttime dose keeps your antioxidant system strong all day and night. Protecting circulation and hormone health continuously. So let's connect everything together. Vitamin D restarts your hormone machinery. Magnesium enhances deep sleep and boosts usable testosterone. Vitamin C protects your blood vessels and strengthens circulation. When these three nutrients are taken correctly at night, they build the perfect internal environment for strong, natural morning performance. Here's the simple nighttime routine that works for most men. With dinner, take your vitamin D along with a meal that includes healthy fats to maximize absorption. About 30 minutes before bed, take magnesium glycinate to calm your muscles and nervous system. And divide your vitamin C into 2 doses, one in the morning and one at night. To keep your antioxidant shield active, most men begin to feel subtle changes within 3 or 4 weeks. Warmer hands and feet, deeper sleep, improved stamina, and gradually stronger morning confidence. The real transformation happens over months as the body rebuilds what time and lifestyle slowly reduced. But remember one important thing. Vitamins help your body, but they cannot outrun a poor lifestyle. Supporting them with good hydration, balanced meals, movement, and reduced late-night sugar makes all the difference. If you are thinking it might be too late for you, let me reassure you. I have spoken to men in their 60s and 70s who believed the same. But once their nutrient levels were corrected, their bodies surprised them. Age changes your chemistry, but it does not erase your design. Your body still knows how to be strong. It just needs the right support. Every morning that feels a little stronger is a sign that your system is rebuilding itself. And that confidence carries into your posture, your energy, your relationships, and your daily motivation. So tonight, take that first step. Give your body back the tools it has been missing. Let your sleep become the most powerful part of your improvement. Because growing older does not mean losing vitality. It means learning how to protect it. Take care of yourself tonight and stay consistent. Your best mornings are not behind you. They are waiting to return with the right support and a little patience.